Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
The people. And yes, I hear God say, let my people go. Yes, you and I are the people to save this country from destruction. If not us, who will do it? If not now, when? We are the generation to save our country now or never. This is our mission. As we say, every generation must find its mission. And our mission, this generation, is to save this country from ultimate self-destruction. I've come to stand as a candidate in this election because it's the will of the people. I'm standing as a candidate because many Malawians have asked me to do so. Personally, I have nothing to gain from standing again for president. But I've decided to join the race to try rescue this country because I love this country and I love you all. I only have one goal, one dream, one mission: to lead Malawians to rise up again and rebuild this country. This is our country, our only country. Malawi is the only country we have. Sadly, Malawi is at its worst point since the founding of this nation. The cost of living is at its highest. Our money is at its weakest. The pain and suffering of the people is at its worst. The plundering at its highest. We are destroying our own country, and those who govern us must make sure that together we rescue this country and rebuild this country together. No need to attack each other or use the Kwanzi and so forth. When somebody wants to express their democratic freedom, no, we are all Malians. Let's love one another. As the great Hessis Kamusbanda used to say, there are no corners or Chewas or Lomes on Sunday, they are only Malawians. And his work demonstrates that he loved this country, he developed this country without discrimination, and appointed people to government positions on the basis of merit, not on the basis of where they come from. Let's follow the example of this great Malawian. DPP is the only solution for this country now. The only way to save this country is to vote us into power. Give us power, and we'll change the course of this country. I've done it before. I became president in 2014. This country was in a similar situation. Loss of time, loss of money had been stolen, but we managed to save this country. So I'm out of time. Let me just say a few things that I'm very, very glad today to introduce Dr. Jane Ansah as my wife. I've known Dr. Ansah for a very long time. When I was Minister of Justice, she was Attorney General. And we worked together on many pieces of legislation in this country. She had been a judge of the High Court and also, as you know, chairperson of the Malawi Electoral Commission. Talk about that election, which was nullified outright. The European Union, United States, United Kingdom, COMESA, SADC. So the 2019 election was one of the best administered elections anywhere. It was only through malice that in fact it was nullified. So I welcome Dr. Ansah. In choosing a running mate, I wanted somebody who is mature, somebody who has experience, assist me in running this country, somebody who loves this country, but also somebody who is God-fearing. You may not know this, but Dr. Ansah is also a bishop, actually, of the Citadel Church. Her husband is a bishop, and her two daughters, both lawyers, are also pastors in the Citadel. So she's a God-fearing person, and I found her to be a man of integrity, a person of integrity, and I believe she can contribute so much to this country. Now, for those who were left out, I want to say this, that I can only select one person. I know some of you have said all sorts of things. If I'm not selected, this and that, that's not the right attitude. Let's work together with Dr. Ansah, myself, so that we win the coming election. And I'm sure, if we work together, we shall win. God bless you all.
zikomo kwambiri ndipemphe amene tayima kutsogolo kuti chokioko kaye zikomo kwambiri amene tayimawo kuti sunthe kaye ndifuna nditane acheya azatipase uthenga kuchokera ku Malawi Electoral Commission. Zikomo kwambiri.
Osayiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.